Welcome coders. In this video we are going to learn about how can we measure the time taken, or you can say the performance of a Python code. Now basically we are creating two timestamps. So first timestamp will be the time when our Python code has just started executing, and the second timestamp will be the T2. There we will measure at the very timestamp where the Python code has stopped its execution. Okay, now to do that, first we will import import time. Actually from from time we shall use perf counter. Okay, now I will use one more, that is import random, now to create some data, and I will use the iterate tools. Okay, so iterate tools is, I think, from iterate tools import combinations. Okay, now this combinations, it's a method where we can extract all the combinations that we can extract from a given list. Okay, and we shall specify that in each subset how many elements will be there. I will show you how it works. Okay, so once this is done, then I will define the function. Let's say my function, let's say def find triplets. First argument will be the data list, second argument will be the target. Okay, now inside it I will write list combinations equal to, I will invoke the list method, then I will invoke the combination method. Inside it I will go and I will have the first argument, that is data list. Okay, and in each time how many digits we will have in each small list, that is 3. Okay, so once we get this, in the next line I will have a temp library, temp list that will hold all the sub lists, and I will iterate over the items in list combinations. Then I will go in the next line, then if the sum is the target sum of the items equal to the target number, then I will have the temp dot append. Inside it I will go and I will have the item. Okay, now I will come out of the loop, then I will return temp. Now once this is done, then I will start creating some data. Okay, now to get some data, let's say I have given a name called my list equal to random dot sample. How many elements do we need in that data list? Let's say we want 80 elements. Okay, and that 80 elements will range from 0 to, let's say, 200. Okay, now once we get that, then we want a target. Now let's say our target is let's say 60. Okay, now this is our two dots that we have connected over here, that is my list that contains the data, and the target means we have to extract all the combinations of 3 numbers that will sum up to 60. Okay, now I will use this find triplet. Now I will use print find triplet, and I should go inside it and I will pass my list and I will pass the target. Okay, now if I run this code, you can see there is a model that is not random dot okay, sorry, this is range, okay, you can see we have got all the combinations of small lists or sub list that sums up to 60. Okay, now we want to extract how much time it has taken. So we are calling the function over here. So I will declare, or you can say I can do this one also. No, I will only take the function. Okay, so t1 equal to time dot perf counter. Okay, now t2 equal to time dot perf counter. Now print print time taken by the function t2 minus t1. Okay, now if I run it, you can see, let me adjust my screen. Yeah, if I run it, you can see it is taking 0.25 nanoseconds. Okay. Now I will change this function and I will move to another function, or I will paste another function that will have lots of loops, and we will check how much that function is taking. Okay, everything will be same, just I will comment this one out, and I will let's say paste this code from my another file, find triplets. Where is that code? Okay, now I will come here, paste it, and find triplets code. Everything is correct, data is correct. Okay, and you will get all these codes in my website. I have given that link in my description below. Okay, so I will run this code. Let's clear it up. Clear, come here and run it once more, and this is taking 0.0046 nanoseconds. Okay, so this is how you can calculate how much your Python code has taken time to do that specific job. So let's meet in the next video.